Will Axienomics ever hit 1 cent and make you rich? Let's talk about it on Kyle Talks Money. Every Sunday and Wednesday, I want to highlight a different crypto that could give it some exposure. Of course, invest in what you're comfortable losing. It's all speculation at this point. But that speculation, of course, can make you rich. Today, let's talk about Axienomics and why it's on the rise. Axienomics is an elastic supply token designed with holders in mind. With an ever-increasing price, holders are vastly rewarded as a smart contract is hard-coded to increase the price. Different than just a normal peg token, rebases make price-elastic tokens into synthetic commodities with fluctuating values and supplies that gradually stabilize. Ultimately, rebases are designed to be tradable and potentially extremely profitable. Axienomics is a D-app featuring collectible NFT battle cards, where you can forge your very own unique character and trade them on the marketplace. You can build a grand character army and send them to battle, and you can win glory and become a samurai master. Axienomics is one of the first unique rebase plus rewards AXS contracts with 15% tax. 5% rewards go to Axie Infinity, 5% go to marketing, 2% go back to the buyback wallet, and 3% is added to liquidity. An elastic supply or rebase token works in a way that the circulating supply expands or contracts due to changes in token price. This increase or decrease in supply works with a mechanism called rebasing. When a rebase occurs, the supply of the token is increased or decreased algorithmically based on the current price of each token. In some ways, elastic supply tokens can be paralleled with stablecoins. So is that something worth pursuing, or is it mere speculation that you can sink a few bucks into? In the past 24 hours, Axienomics is up 18%. In the past week, it's up 108%. And in the past month, it's up 51,937%. There could be something to this after all. So then, could it hit 1 cent? At its very low market cap, Axienomics is at this price. A $1,000 investment today would mean if it hit 1 cent, you would have $26.3 million. It all begins with a dream and whether you take that opportunity or not. Research is always your friend, and I hope this introduces you to looking more into cryptos. There could be some hidden gems, but tell me about it in the comments. Are you going to invest? What are your thoughts? What other cryptos should I highlight for the next video? If you like this video, tap that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Learn more, earn more, and as always, take care of your money.